Let's have a brief look at the capabilities and features of Maticssoft Business. Maticssoft Business is an exceptionally flexible business management solution, excelling in the effective management of accounting tasks and order processes. It provides extensive customization features to cater to the varied needs of businesses. What makes Maticssoft different are properties like ability to customize forms, lists and reports. Also, access reports and charts providing a 360-degree perspective of your business operations. Finally, flexible user access levels and user logs for enhanced security and user tracking within the system. Let's take a look at all the versatile features next. The initial feature is a unified form for item, customer, and supplier, streamlining information management seamlessly. The next feature allows user to effortlessly export any table to a responsive Excel file for enhanced data management. The next feature allows generation of customized pivot for any transaction, tailoring your data analysis to meet specific business needs effectively. Moving forward, utilize the advanced report viewer, allowing you to email reports and export them seamlessly to PDF, Excel, or Word formats. Explore the ease of searching, filtering, and sorting any table with an intuitive functionality for efficient data manipulation and retrieval. Enhance data exploration with efficient multi-word filtering and search options, improving the overall experience of navigating and analyzing information. The user can also instantly replicate items by copying from any other or last created, facilitating efficient data entry and consistency. Also, access specific details swiftly by simply double-clicking on any object, streamlining the user experience for efficient information retrieval. Moving on, the user can also locate line items in any form by double-clicking, ensuring users experience efficient and prompt navigation within the system. Also, one can provide customer-wise sales price, enhancing flexibility and customer-centric pricing strategies. In the sales invoice, users can view stock quantity, costs, and additional details for comprehensive insights into the transaction. The user can also retrieve complete transaction history for a selected customer and item, providing a comprehensive overview of past interactions and purchases. One can also transfer item details between vouchers by exporting and importing data, promoting data reuse and seamless integration. Experience unlimited user access levels for actions like view, add, edit, delete, print, login, logout, and for granular field column row permissions. One can also make use of user activity logs to monitor different events performed by different users, ensuring detailed system monitoring. Now let's take a look at the benefits of using Maticssoft for your business. Enhanced operational efficiency and productivity through streamlined processes and automation, resulting in increased effectiveness across the board. Improved data accuracy and enhanced visibility across diverse functions, ensuring a more reliable and transparent operational environment. Make informed decisions with real-time data insights, fostering a strategic and proactive approach to decision-making within the organization. Experience reduced operational costs and improved profitability through optimized processes and strategic business management. Achieve scalability to support business growth and expansion, ensuring adaptability to evolving needs and increased operational demands. The modules available in the software includes masters, purchase, sales, stock, financials, documents, MIS reports, and utilities. Let's look at each one in detail. The Masters module serves as the foundation of your ERP system, containing essential master data such as customer information, supplier details, product specifications, employee records, and other fundamental entities. The properties under Masters modules includes account, supplier, customer, item, etc. The Purchase Management module is a comprehensive tool designed to streamline and optimize the procurement process within a business. It includes properties such as purchase order, purchase return, supplier statement, purchase inquiry, etc. Our software incorporates a sales module, enhancing organizations' sales processes. The sales module in the Maticssoft system is crafted to streamline diverse facets of the sales cycle, spanning from lead management to order fulfillment. The sales module includes properties like quotation, sales order, sales invoice, customer statement, etc. Our software's item management module simplifies inventory control, allowing easy management through additions, edits, and categorization. This module includes properties like product origin, category, brand, product images, sales history, etc. Within the software, the financial management module stands as a robust component, providing extensive tools for financial control. It includes features such as ledger management, expense tracking, income analysis, and budgeting. Financials module includes properties like receipt, payment, check return, journal voucher, PDC management, etc. The documents module simplifies the storage, retrieval, and management of diverse documents and files within the ERP system. It incorporates features like document version control, access permissions, and document linking. This module includes properties like document type, document expiry report, and document expiry query. The reports module within the Management Information System, MIS, offers a range of pre-configured and customizable reports designed for decision makers. This module includes properties like audit trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheet, etc. The Utilities module comprises a suite of tools and functionalities aimed at improving the overall usability and performance of the ERP system. This includes properties like users, user access levels, user activity log, backup and restore, etc. Now let's look at all the highlights of the software that differentiates it from other ERP systems in detail. One of the most pivotal and versatile feature we offer is the consolidation of complete details for entities such as items, customers, and suppliers under a single form. This ensures streamlined access to crucial information, enhancing efficiency in financial management processes. For example, when we open the item form and select an item, we can see all the details like the available stock at each location, previous purchases made for the item, all the purchase returns made, all the sales done for the item, and sales returns made, if any. We can also see the image of the item by clicking on the Show Image button. We can add an image to an item simply by dragging and dropping the image. When it comes to the customer's form, we can see all details here as well. After selecting the customer, if we click on Statement, we can see the entire account statement related to that customer. Coming to allocation details, here we can see unallocated sales and receipts. Since we have one unallocated receipt, let's allocate it to its respective sales. In the next tab, we can see all the transactions which are already allocated. We can also unallocate any transaction from here by ticking the box and saving. Next is the customer query form, which comprises of entire data related to a customer such as all the sales that is related to the selected customer, all the sales returns made, if any PDC received, any check returns and unpaid bills present. Sales versus receipts shows sales and receipt amount for each month. It can also be seen in a chart form. The sales chart shows sales and profits for monthly, quarterly and yearly time periods. Items Sold tab shows all the items that was sold to the selected customer including its amount and quantity. It can also be seen in a pie chart form. Next is the customer-wise outstanding report that shows outstanding amount of a customer. Another versatile feature is allowing users to effortlessly export any table or report to Excel. This streamlined process enhances data accessibility, enabling seamless analysis and sharing. Experience the convenience of extracting key information from our system, empowering users with dynamic and actionable insights. We can open any table in the software, say item list, and export it to Excel at the click of a button. The exported Excel file functions similarly to any other spreadsheet, providing a familiar and intuitive user experience. Users can seamlessly interact with and manipulate the data as they would with any standard Excel sheet, ensuring ease of use and integration into existing workflows. Likewise, reports such as the sales invoice report can be exported to an Excel file. This functionality extends to various reports, allowing users to conveniently transfer and analyze data in a familiar Excel format for enhanced flexibility and accessibility. The next functionality allows users to generate customized pivot reports for any transactions and seamlessly convert them into interactive Excel pivot tables. This feature empowers users to organize data to their specifications, providing a dynamic and user-friendly experience within Excel for in-depth analysis. Here I am creating a customized pivot with rows as item group and items, columns as salesman and region. Now, you can observe the sales breakdown for each item group and item. The pivot also details the sales for each salesman and the corresponding region. Additionally, the data is presented in the form of a pie chart below for easier analysis. It can also be viewed as a bar chart if required. Let's export this pivot into an Excel file. Upon exporting the pivot to an Excel file, it becomes expandable, replicating the functionality of any other pivot in an Excel sheet. This allows for seamless exploration and analysis within the Excel environment. Now I am selecting value fields of the pivot as quantity and net amount. We can now see the total quantity and net amount for each item under every salesman categorized by their respective regions. Additionally, if we click on any of the entity, like an item in the pivot, it leads to the respective reports of that entity. For example, when we clicked on cement, the sales register of cement was opened. Next feature is the advanced report viewer that enables various export format options, including shareability in the form of email, enhancing accessibility and collaboration. This user-friendly functionality streamlines communication and data sharing, optimizing the reporting process for heightened efficiency. After opening the preview for a sales invoice, we can send this report via email after configuring your email settings. We can also export this report into formats like PDF, Word, etc. If the report is exported in Word format, it can be easily edited and saved. Let's see another example using sales invoice report. This report can be filtered for selected customer, item, etc. And it can also be grouped by month, branch, etc. All the columns in the generated report is sortable. This report can also be exported into various formats like PDF, Excel and Word. It can also be printed directly from here. Similarly, Purchase Invoice Report also has functionalities like filtering, sorting and exporting to different formats. The next feature provides users with search, filter, and sort functionality for every table, enabling seamless data navigation. Enhancing user experience, this feature enables swift data retrieval and organization, ensuring efficiency in financial management by quickly accessing and analyzing relevant information within the software. When we open the item table, we can easily search for any record by simply typing its name. We can also search using item ID, item number, etc. In the sales table, we can sort the data to only contain net balance as 0 using filter by selection. If we click on reverse filter, all the entries without net balance as 0 will be shown. We can also use remove filter to show the original entries. Filter for has many options like greater than, less than, etc. Here I am filtering the net balance as greater than or equal to 2000. The entry that has net balance above or equal to 2000 is shown. When reverse filter is clicked, entries with net balance below 2000 is shown. The software also includes a multi-word search option, enabling users to refine searches with multiple keywords. This feature enhances search accuracy and efficiency, providing a more flexible and effective way to find specific information within the system. In the item table, if we want to search for an item that has multiple words, make sure that the multiple word search option is enabled, and then you can easily search for the item by typing in the item name using spaces between the multiple words present. The user can effortlessly create similar items by instantly copying from any other existing item or the last created one. This streamlined feature enhances efficiency, reducing data entry time and ensuring consistency across items within the system. Here I am creating a new item which has multi-units as well as item group and brand. Now if you want to create a new item which has similar features, you can copy the details from the last created item by clicking on Repeat Last Entry button. You can also copy details from an existing item by clicking on Copy From option and selecting the required item. Next feature enables the user to achieve swift navigation by double-clicking any object to access detailed information instantly. This user-friendly feature streamlines the exploration of data, providing a quick and efficient way to dive into the specifics of the selected object within the system. In the sales table, if we double-click on any customer ID, the respective invoice opens up. Similarly, inside an invoice, if we double-click on item ID, the details of that particular item is displayed. We can also directly navigate to the stock ledger of the item by clicking on Stock Ledger button. Next feature leads to enhancing user navigation. Simply double-click to instantly locate a specific line item within any form. This intuitive feature provides a quick and efficient way to pinpoint and access detailed information, streamlining the user experience. For example, when we are checking the stock of a particular item, if we double-click on the item ID from any transaction, the respective invoice opens up by locating the specific line where that item ID is present. Similarly, in an account statement, if we double-click on any account, the corresponding transaction opens up locating the specific line where the account is present. The software includes another feature allowing users to allocate customer-specific sales prices, with the option to enable or disable the sales price based on user preferences. This provides flexibility in tailoring pricing strategies while maintaining control over the degree of customer-specific pricing implementation. Here I am creating a new sales invoice for a customer named F&J Contracting and choosing the item as cutting plier. I am altering the rate for this customer from 4.5 to 5. Now if I create another sales invoice for the same customer and same item, with customer price enabled, the rate of the item will be automatically populated with the last price used for this customer. If I disable the customer price option, the default price will be populated. The software also enables users to view the stock quantity and associated costs of an item directly within an invoice. This feature provides a seamless and convenient way to access real-time inventory information while processing transactions, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in managing stock-related data. When we open a sales invoice and navigate through the item list, the last cost, average cost and stock of each item will be displayed within the invoice. The next feature enables users to review all previous transactions related to a selected customer and item directly from any transaction form. This feature provides a comprehensive view of the customer's purchase history and the item's transaction details, aiding in informed decision-making and enhancing customer relationship management. When we open any sales invoice, focus on an item and click on Item Trends, you can see how many times the selected customer has bought the selected item and all its related details. Next feature allows users to efficiently manage item details by importing and exporting them from one voucher to another. This feature streamlines data transfer between vouchers, enhancing accuracy and saving time when dealing with similar or repetitive information across different transactions. First, I am creating a new quotation by importing data from an Excel file. The Excel file has 4 columns, namely item ID, quantity, unit and rate of the item. I am importing the file just using the Browse window and selecting the file to be imported. We can see that the related details of each item is automatically populated after import. After saving this quotation, I need the same items for the corresponding purchase invoice, hence I am going to export this quotation into an Excel file. Later, while creating the purchase invoice, I can reuse the exported Excel file and import it back. Now I am creating a new purchase invoice by importing the previous file. Before importing, I am making a few changes like removing the space in column names and saving the Excel file in 2003 format. Now we can simply import the file. Thus, after importing the Excel sheet to the purchase invoice, we are reusing the files and saving time when dealing with repetitive data. Our software ensures granular security with user-level permissions for actions such as view, add, edit, delete, print, login, and logout, enabling unlimited user access levels. Customize rights for each field in a form, as well as column and row levels, offering a robust and secure user access management system. Under user rights, different access rights can be given to different users. For example, the right to show cost and show minimum price can be disabled for selected users. User rights are extendable to each field in a form, both column-wise and row-wise, as well as to actions like view, add, edit, delete, print, login, and logout. The next feature enables user to track every user action with comprehensive user activity logs. Capture events such as add, edit, delete, print, login, and logout for each user, ensuring transparency and accountability. This feature provides a detailed record of user interactions, enhancing security and facilitating audit trails for effective system monitoring. In user logs, the admin can see entire user logs of each user, including logged in and logged out details. It can also be filtered for each user and time period. Effortlessly transition your data, including all transactions like sales, purchases, receipts, and payments, along with their respective line items. Our data migration feature facilitates seamless importing of invoice data, including item details, from your old software or Excel, ensuring a smooth transition and maintaining data integrity. We also provide services to tailor the software to your exact needs with our customizable solutions. Enjoy the flexibility of adapting features and functionalities to match your specific requirements, ensuring that the software aligns seamlessly with your unique business processes and preferences. Thank you for watching.